This is the overall view of the lab. Over here, we have a thin film growth chamber. Test quantum efficiency, spectral response for thin films like alkali antimonide on gallium arsenide wafers. This is an AFM and KPFM. That's atomic force microscope and Kelvin probe force microscope. Measures the smoothness, chemical and physical smoothness. This is a giant clean room. Will be used for building an electron gun. Right now it houses a laser. This is a 20-watt femtosecond laser. The Pharos. This thing behind it, the Orpheus, is an OPA, optical parametric amplifier. Allows us to basically tune the wavelength over a wide range. This is the limited optics we have set up at the moment. Laser comes out of there, through there, through there, through this hole, through here, into this chamber here, which is what I work on. Hits a sample that's in the center there, hits this thing down here. It's an electron energy analyzer. Determines the 3D energy and momentum distribution of electrons. Coming out of the clean room. This is a 150-liter dewar that holds liquid helium. You can see these tubes up here, following over there, where we have a compressor. The compressor takes ultra-high pure helium gas and compresses it to a liquid state. It breaks and has errors all the time, so we have a web camera set up to it so we can monitor it. These T-bars, it's called 8020 is the brand. This is where we're going to house the transfer line that's going to take samples from each chamber. None of those, none of the transfer line is here right now. I can show you that. It's in a different room being cleaned. This is the power supply for, I believe, solenoids for the electron gun. Electron gun's in the process of being built, but we had to make sure that we could operate all these, connect to them, and access them before we have the chamber built. And this is just another view of the electron energy analyzer. So far we have 3 of 6 chambers in this lab. You can see here we have this pump running, high cube. This is a turbo pump. Really, this is a turbo pump too. Comes up to this turbo pump. Down there at the back we have ion pumps. Lots of these things are gate valves, basically just sections off individual chambers, so you can have some under vacuum, some under ambient pressure. This right here is a recirculation line that takes once the liquid helium goes in there, cools the sample down to cryogenic temperatures. The liquid turns to gas. The gas gets collected through here, follows this, comes around like this, down through various valves. This plastic tube here is going to be a source of helium gas in case you want to put more liquid helium in here. This empty tube here is where we're going to connect the electron gun once it's built. Gas comes in through here, goes through this pump, comes back up this tube into the compressor to decompress back to its liquid helium state. So yeah, we have 3 chambers right now: electron energy analyzer, AFM, growth chamber 1. We're building another growth chamber, an electron gun, and a PEEM photo emission electron microscope.